Today we're drawing the cutest surprise, a bunny popping out of a tulip. Watch this. Start with two big round eyes. Add a little highlight circle in each, one because sparkle equals cuteness. Then two tiny eyebrow curves, a small oval nose, and a happy mouth with a tiny tongue sticking out. Draw the head outline down both sides. Make the cheeks slightly fluffy tiny zigzag bumps like the bunny just woke up adorable. Add two front paws resting in front, like the bunny is peeking over a ledge. Use simple rounded shapes and three little toe bumps on each paw. Now the signature move, two tall ears. Start from the top of the head and draw long rounded ear shapes, one on each side. Keep them smooth and symmetrical-ish. It's okay if one ear has more personality. Inside each ear, draw a thinner inner shape that follows the ear outline. Leave a little gap, clean and cute. Time for the tulip! Draw a big U shape around the bunny, like a flower cup hugging them. Make the sides tall and curve into a rounded bottom. Add the center petal split. Draw two curved lines coming down from the top opening, meeting near the bottom. It should look like the tulip is gently opening. Give the petals some life. Draw a few long, curved fold lines on each side petal. Keep them light and flowy like fabric, but flower fabric. Draw two lines down for the stem, then add two big leaf shapes on both sides, long, smooth, and pointed at the ends. Finish with a few leaf vein lines inside each leaf, following the leaf direction. Don't overdo it. Simple lines look clean. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!